You've probably eaten fake chocolate your whole life because this is how real chocolate is made. It all begins with a cocoa pod. The fruit that hides dozens of precious beans covered in white pulp are taken out and left to ferment. That gives chocolate its deep flavor. Once fermented, they're dried under the sun, slowly turning dark brown. Then comes roasting, the moment that fills the air with that irresistible chocolate aroma. The roasted beans are ground into a silky paste, then mixed with sugar to reduce its bitterness. Finally, the melted chocolate is poured into molds, and after cooling it turns into the real chocolate bar.